We've put a lot of efforts to make reports on Power BI, no matter whether it is for reporting, planning, or forecasting. But there are instances when our reports break, we lose the page, we either get the page deleted by mistakenly, or even as an option, somehow we end up removing this entire visual. It is always recommended to follow the best practice of taking a backup of this configuration. The configuration backup helps us to build this report in no time. For that, the most important thing is to always remember that from the filter pane context, what are the filters that we have applied? In the rows, columns, and remaining buckets of the visualization pane, all the necessary fields are supposed to be remembered. And in order to recreate the report, we'll have to follow the entire sequence in the same order. Once that is done, using the report configuration, we can bring back the report to life. Now, let's say this report is ready, but I haven't made the mistake of breaking it or deleting it. So first, as a best practice, I would go to export and there's an option of config. I'll use the option backup report config. I can even copy it, but let me use this option backup report config. And then I'll download this. So there are previous downloads appearing here, but this one is now going to sit in my download folder in my workstation. So now let us forcefully remove this. Now I've lost the report. Not to worry. I'll create the same report again. So I'll click on my visual Inforiver write back matrix, expand it to the canvas. I had my region. I had my country. I had two measures. In the plan bucket, I had annual 2024 revenue plan. And in my actual bucket, I had this measure, 2024 revenue actual. And now all I need to do is go to export again, click on config, choose restore report config. It'll ask me to upload. This is my download folder where the configuration was downloaded. I'll select it, click open. It definitely gives me some message. How's my actual looking like? How's my plan looking like? So this is exactly where my actual and my plan was placed. This is correct. I'll apply anyway. And my report has come back to life. The message that it was popping up was the position or the placement of the measure. So I will just move it back to its original position and we have the report ready. This is one of the best practices we always recommend. Please ensure that you follow this. Thank you very much and see you in the next session.